In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members to your Lovable Workspace. Whether you're collaborating on a new project, starting a community of shared interests, or simply expanding your team, inviting members efficiently and effectively is key. Let's get started on building a vibrant and connected workspace. To begin, navigate to your Lovable Workspace dashboard. Here, you'll see the current workspace you're in. Now, direct your attention to the name of the workspace, which should be prominently displayed towards the top of your screen. When you click on this workspace name, it opens up a menu with various options related to your workspace settings and functionalities. Next, look for the option that says Invite Members. Clicking on this option will take you to a dedicated section designed specifically for inviting new participants. In this space, you're guided to follow the on-screen prompts carefully. These prompts are your roadmap to successfully sending out invitations. Usually, these prompts will ask for email addresses or usernames of the individuals you would like to add. Make sure you enter these details accurately to ensure a seamless invitation process. As you type in the necessary information, the system might offer additional fields or questions, such as assigning roles or permissions for the new members. Understanding these roles is crucial. For instance, do you want them to be admins with full access, or are you simply looking to add them as contributors with limited privileges? Take a moment to consider their role and responsibilities within the workspace. Once you've entered all the required details, double-check everything before proceeding. Accuracy at this stage can save you time and potential confusion later on. After all, you want your new members to feel welcomed and seamlessly integrated from the moment they receive their invite. After reviewing the entries, follow through with the on-screen prompts that usually guide you to a confirmation button. It's often labeled something like Send Invites or Confirm. Click this button and the system will handle sending out your invitations. At this point, the recipients will receive an invitation email or notification. Encourage them to check their spam or junk folders if they don't find it immediately in their inbox. Finally, you'll want to make sure you communicate with your potential new members. A personal note or follow-up message can sometimes smooth over any technical issues and make the invitation feel more warm and personable. It might be a good idea to let them know they should expect an email and provide any instructions they might need once they join your workspace, like setting up their profiles or accessing certain projects. And there you have it, a complete guide to inviting members into your Lovable Workspace. Remember, the key to a successful workspace is not just in having the